Today I'm going to show you how to directly clean your garbage disposal with a brush. Step 1 is to run hot water and dish soap through your disposal. This will help soften up any of the leftover food chunks left in the disposal. It will make it easier to remove them in the next few steps. Step 2 is to coat your brush with dish soap. Once you do that, you can start scrubbing the inside of your disposal with your brush. This will help remove the hard-to-reach pieces stuck in your impellers. While running hot water and dish soap through your disposal is usually good enough to clean it, using a brush will remove those leftover stubborn pieces. And finally, step 4 is to turn on your disposal while running hot water. This will drain all the chunks that you just removed with your brush. And that's how to directly clean the inside of your garbage disposal with a brush.